Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure sales strategies with Nutshell easy tutorial step by step clearly.
Open your Nutshell account and log in. Navigate to the Settings tab on the left sidebar. In the Settings menu, find and select Sales Strategies.
Click on the Create New Strategy button to begin.
Fill in the name of your sales strategy in the provided field. Add a brief description that outlines the purpose of this strategy. Specify the sales team that will use this strategy from the drop-down menu.
Set the visibility options to determine who can view this strategy. Choose the appropriate pipeline that this strategy will apply to. Define the stages of your sales process by clicking on Add Stage. For each stage, enter a name that clearly describes the phase. Allocate a probability percentage for each stage to estimate closing chances. Configure the criteria for moving deals between stages. Click Save to store your progress.
To add specific tactics, navigate to the Tactics section.
Here, you can input various tactics that align with your strategy. Prioritize these tactics by organizing them based on effectiveness.
Review your configured sales strategy to ensure everything is accurate. Once satisfied, click on Activate Strategy to implement it. Monitor how your sales strategy performs and adjust as necessary.
Regularly update your tactics and stages based on feedback and results. By following these steps, you've successfully configured a sales strategy in Nutshell. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.